Bah Rymbui, MLA ka UDP na Amlarem constituency, Ubadairu Menteri badai kami tanat kampo ieng, batrat puli Sarkar Jala, ula penpau ke Shillong ya, jingkynnoh per Kongres, persyai kum Menteri Sarkar, bakumcu ya United Democratic Party. Habagli ke jingkynnoh jungu halon ke deki jingkynnoh, kamtam do Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, Benson Pala, Bah Rymbui Long, Balei bun hab jubab ya ke parti, ke dan MLA. Ulang deng kam jubab ya ke jingkynnoh unot lene zero, baladaw keren surak tu keren ini upan. Ulang badai ban keren yang dapat tawan Henry ke Kongres kamdan MLA isu ban jubab kalong kemba jubab ke parti ke dan isu Meghalaya. Dah kabakno badai ka daw ba pala pelut ke MLA ke Kongres Bah Rymbui ulang ke Kongres kanyo -0 hadin ke election MLA arjar pulai.
See, to answer for the party which have more MLA and the party to have 0 MLA, it is so to say 8-0. So why I should answer to a 0? Let him come back to us 1, 2, 3, 4, then I'll reply to that. So to apply whatever he says now is 0 because he have a 0 MLA. So as I said, if he didn't talk on the street, where he will talk? He should talk in the assembly. But there is nobody from the Congress who will talk in the assembly. That's why to reply, it is like to reply to non-existent party in the state of Meghalaya. I'm very sorry to say, I have been in the Congress party before, but due to the mismanagement and moreover due to his own mismanagement, and the party reduced to 0 and it become -0 after election.
Halor ke jingpeng krek ke UDP sya ke election chena mikmat sya ke yeng dabar tawan ke jela house dem banwan ulang baka parti ke le ban job bon seat tang na khasi ne China Hills Henry ne constituency ba per ha ke jela.
The UDP is going from strength to strength and we are fighting the election to win maximum seat possible in China Hills, and not only in China Hills, in Khasi region and also all over the state. So the UDP is here to stay. UDP will be the party who will have the voice for the people, and the party UDP will win more seats in this next election. Every party tried to win all the seats. But having said that, we have also to recognize the strength of other party also. But as I said, politics is a work in progress, so we have to work till the date of polling. So we hope that whatever we could mobilize in the last 5 years, whatever voters we could mobilize from here onwards, it will help strengthen the party not only in China Hills, as I said, all over the state. And I hope that the UDP will come back with a more number in the next assembly.